This is how you make $1,000 on ClickBank. This is going to be a step-by-step video tutorial for beginners, how you can earn your first $1,000. Now, the very first step you're going to do is go over to this website. I create videos that show people how to make money online. And if you subscribe right now, I will send you a notification and an update whenever I create a new video so you don't miss anything. Warning, results are not typical. When you just get started with this method, you may only make $100 or just $500 when you're getting started. So please be careful before you proceed. $1,000 on ClickBank. I'm so excited to give you guys this tutorial because this is something that I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time. This is 100% free. There's no website needed, and we're talking high payout commissions. And the best part is it's PayPal, and you can also repeat this as often as you like. To get started with this, we're going to go right over to Google because we're going to make a few searches. Now, the high profit categories out there for making money are going to be fitness and weight loss, make money online, and dating and relationships. So for this video, you guessed it, I'm going to choose make money online since that's one of the most exciting categories to be a part of. Okay, so the first step, go right over to Google and I want you to type in ways to make money online. And this is going to give you a huge list of different websites that are going to give you information about how to do this. Now you're going to find blogs and articles, the best ways, the fastest ways to make money online, and all kinds of cool stuff. So we're going to choose for this video, we're going to choose the entrepreneur.com website. It's 32 proven ways to make money fast. And so if I click on that, that's going to take me right over to this page right here. Now, this is a really good article. So now why am I showing you this? Well, that's because we are going to harness and use the power of this entrepreneur website and this article, and we're going to use this to attract people to our ClickBank offers. So yeah, we don't even have to create the content, guys. You don't even have to do that. So you can actually harness and leverage the works of others and other articles out there to drive traffic to your affiliate links. See, I told you this was going to be really cool. But before we start doing anything, what we got to do is go over to ClickBank and make a new account. Now, maybe some of you might already have a ClickBank account. If you do, that's totally cool, but just go right over to clickbank.com and go ahead and sign up from there. Now, once you get inside of ClickBank, you set everything up, you got to have your nickname set up. Come right up here at the very top and click on the button that says Marketplace. It's a little link here at the very top. You're going to have a whole bunch of different links and categories over here on the left. Remember what we talked about, the high profit categories to really make money online. I mean, since the test of time, okay? It's been fitness and weight loss, make money online, dating and relationships. People just have a very high emotional response to these types of things, and that's why they just make the most money. You're gonna wanna come down here and let's choose e-business and marketing. So when you do that, it's going to give you a huge list of different ClickBank products that you can promote. Now, the ones towards the top are the ones that are probably most likely getting the most views and the most sales, okay? But what we want to do is we want to choose a ClickBank product that has a really good payout. We just scroll right down here and I picked out a product for you guys so you don't have to worry about it. But here's one that's getting lots of conversions and traffic and sales, and that's the Perpetual Income 365. It's right here, and the average conversion, get this guy, the average conversion is $300. I mean, you only need about 3 or 4 sales and you guys are going to get up to that $1,000. Okay, that's it. I mean, it's not very many because the best thing is it's just a lot easier to sell a few products for $300, make $1,000 than it is to sell like 500 products of $20 or whatever. So Perpetual Income 365 with a $304 payout, go ahead and click on that link right there. That'll take you over to the website. You can look at it. I highly recommend to go through the website that you just clicked on or the website that you're promoting, maybe sign up, check out the video, check out the sales funnel and all that good stuff, read all the fine print at the bottom, and just really know what you're promoting, which is kind of important. So this is how ordinary people are manipulating this secret algorithm that's going to make them perpetual income every single month, okay? This is a really cool product and it's getting great results on ClickBank. So now that you know what the product is, but what you could also do is you can get affiliate tools and different things to promote this product. All you have to do is click on the affiliate page right here. This is the JV page for this particular product, and they can give you tools, emails, scripts, and banners and different graphics to help you promote it. But honestly, guys, you're not going to need any of that stuff with the strategy that I'm going to share with you on this video. Now what you want to do is you want to come over here and click on promote. It's really important that you do have your account nickname that's entered in the box up here, because this is going to be a part of your affiliate link. We want to make sure that if someone clicks on that link and they go to the ClickBank offer and they buy, then you want to get credit for the sale. Now, once you get here, come right down here and click on generate hop links. So right down here, it's going to give you the affiliate link that you're going to use. And what's really cool and convenient is this little button right over here to the right. And if you click on that, that's going to copy the link into memory. So then you can go paste that link somewhere else. And you're probably wondering, well, where do I paste that link? That's what I'm going to show you right now. So go right over here to this website. It's called Snipply. Okay, Snipply. All right, and that's snipply.io. So snipply.io. And that'll take you right to here. And don't worry, guys, this is free. Now, they do have a pro plan and all that stuff if you guys want more features to enhance the whole effect and maybe help, maybe get some more sales and have more people click on your stuff. That's totally cool. But just for the basic plan, this is free. Okay, so go over there right now, click on sign up. That's going to take you over to this page. It says right here, sign up for free. Now, if you don't want to just enter in your name and email and password, you can also just sign up with Facebook and Twitter. Now, when you do this, you are going to receive an email. So you must confirm this. Snipply will send you out this code right here. And then so you'll want to select that and maybe just right click on it, save that into memory on your computer. And then when you go back over to the Snipply website, it's going to ask you to paste in that number. And when you do, you get full access to the Snipply dashboard, and it looks just like this. Now, looking at this at first, it looks a little bit crazy, like it's a little bit overwhelming. There's lots of stuff, but don't worry, you don't have to use everything. There's just a few things that you have to do to make this whole thing work. So the first step, guys, what you're going to do is click on new call to action. It's right down here because you're going to create a new call to action link, or it's not even a link. It's like almost like a little advertisement that you can place at the bottom of the pages of other people's websites. I know it sounds freaky. Like, how in the heck are you going to be able to put a blurb or an ad or something like that on somebody else's website? I mean, that just doesn't seem right. Well, that's the power of Snipply. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. So come right down here and click on new call to action. That's going to come up. All right. So I got my picture up there on the top right. So I'm probably and I'm going to select the type of Snipply that I want. Okay. So this is going to be a button. You can do a text link or something like that, but just to keep this simple, I kind of like the button. It just looks like something people want to click on. So I'm just going to go ahead and use that. So click on button, and now you're going to have some options here. You're going to have to create a message. So what's it going to say? And if you look down at the bottom, it gives you kind of like a preview. When people see this, they're going to see a picture of me right there, but also it says enter your message here. So what is the ClickBank product all about? Well, in our case, it's about making some extra income, right? So let's just go up here and type in how to make, and I would highly recommend to capitalize the first letter of each word. It just really makes it stand out a little bit more. How to make more income. There we go. And then so the button text, I can just, leave it click here or, watch video or whatever you want to do. I'm just going to leave it for click here for now. Now the button URL. Okay, so this is really important because this is where then when you see this, click on generate hop links and then click on this button right here. And when I do that, it's going to tell me that you have successfully copied the hop link hop link into memory. So go back over to Snipply and then just paste that ClickBank URL right in there. See, this is the easiest thing I've ever seen in my life. After this, click on continue. Okay. Now there are some advanced features, some pro features. If you do have an upgraded plan, it's going to cost you a little. It's not a whole lot. I think it's like a few dollars a month or whatever. It's giving you extra features if you want them, but you don't have to use them. I'm going to keep the theme on social because I kind of like the way my little Snipply looks here. And I'm going to click on Finish CTA. Now, CTA, that means call to action. Okay, so if you're just getting started with marketing, I'll show you a little bit more marketing tips towards the end of this video. Stay tuned. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, comment, like, and subscribe. I'll give you a second to subscribe. I know you're going to subscribe. Why wouldn't you? If you don't subscribe, you're going to miss my videos. Okay, I'll give you a second. Did you subscribe yet? Okay, I'm going to wait. All right, time's up. So what I'm going to do is click on Finish CTA, and now we're going to go to the call to action. The call to action is the little tiny blurb here down at the bottom that's going to show up on people's websites and stuff. So let's click on Go to Call to Action. All right, so I've got a picture of me there. Now, I mean, you can leave the picture there if you want to. I'm kind of, I don't know if I want to leave it, but I might leave it there. So I got my name. You don't have to keep it that name. You know, it might be named the name that you signed up when you made your Snipply account. You know, I could just, whatever. So what I'm going to do is for now, to keep this simple, I'm going to click on Save. When you look down here, it's going to say how to make more money. Click here. All right. Now let's come right over here. It's going to say Quick Snip, and I'm going to click on that. And we need to enter the URL for this call to action. So what is that URL? Well, this is the website that we talked about earlier about the 32 tips for making money online at Entrepreneur Magazine. So come over here to the article and copy this article. So go right up at the very top in the URL box and copy this article. So make a selection around it, right click, copy. I'll just hold down Command C. That's Control C on Windows or the PC, whatever you guys are using. And then I will go back over to Snipply. And what I'm going to do is just paste it right inside here, just like that. Maybe press enter, and then it's confirmed. So what do we do at this point? Well, we can copy this link, and Snipply has conveniently given us a link that we can use when we drive traffic to this article. So instead of seeing your ClickBank offer, your ClickBank product, they're going to see an article. It's just a lot easier. And so this way, you're not going to get in trouble, from other social media networks. They think, oh, you're driving affiliate traffic or whatever. You're not. You're just driving traffic to an article or maybe a post that's online, or just simply driving traffic to a website. That's all you're doing. So let's copy this into memory. I'm going to open up a new tab inside of my browser, and let's go ahead and paste this. Boom. Paste this right up there. 32 proven ways to make money on that. Oh my, and look down at the bottom. How to make more income is my little call to action at the very bottom. And here's what's really cool. So if somebody decides to scroll through this web page, my little call to action is just going to stick. It's just going to stay there in one spot. So it doesn't scroll past or anything like that. And what's really cool is this will also work on mobile devices. So if someone decides to, maybe click on the link somewhere and they're on their phone, it will also show that little call to action there as well. So if I click on where it says click here, then what happens? Check this out. It goes directly to the affiliate offer on ClickBank. Isn't that cool? See, I told you guys, you should have waited till the end. All right. So, that's what's so exciting about this stuff. Now, you're probably asking yourself, okay, well, what do I do with the link? How do I promote it? All right, now, to get traffic, and I think that's what you guys are thinking about. Now, how do I get traffic? How do I get people to click on this link so they can go there and read the article and then maybe possibly click on my little call to action so I can, maybe make some sales, right? Well, there are a number of ways of getting traffic. Of course, we all know about TikTok, YouTube, and stuff like that. A lot of that can take a lot of time. Well, if you're really in a rush and you want to do this fast, here's one thing that you can do. Okay, so you can go over to Facebook. All right, now don't freak out. We're not going to make some Facebook ads or anything like that. First, access the groups inside of Facebook. So you're going to have this little search box up here on the upper left. Type in Make Money Online. And when you do that, you're going to just find a whole load of different Facebook groups that you guys can post on. Yes, legally. We're talking about legit, right? What's really cool is that most of the groups on Facebook, these people, the people running the groups, they allow you to post inside of the groups and promote your businesses and promote your affiliate products and stuff like that. So a lot of people don't know that. Well, that's why these groups are made. See, people that want to make money online, they're also posting in groups that that show you ways to make money online. So when they go there to post their opportunity, they're going to see your link at the very top of the page. And if you make your ad and your post look really cool, well, they might click on it. And then they're going to go to the article, right, over here on the Entrepreneur magazine. And then they're going to see that little call to action. So that's really exciting. There are groups that have 140,000 members, 23,000 members, 32,000 members, 100,000 members. You want to make a call to action that goes to maybe like a fitness product or something like that, or maybe like a weight loss product. Well, all you have to do is go to the groups on Facebook and type in fitness, then filter by groups only. Join these groups, join as many as you can, and read the rules. And then just say, hey, I have an article that you guys, if you want to check out, it's about 32 ways for the best ways to lose weight. Check out this article. But there are just thousands and thousands of groups with hundreds of thousands of members that are already a part of these groups. And so I would highly suggest you guys go over there and check it out. And where you guys want to go to really start getting results so you can break out of the 9 to 5, get out of traffic, have more time and freedom to do what you want to do. Or maybe you're not working a job. Maybe you're just looking for something. Maybe you're doing something part-time, but I know what it's like to just pay the bills and that's it. And there's really not a whole lot left over at the end of the month. I've been there, and I've been there so many times. It's really just time to change things and go to that next chapter, maybe that next level of your life. I strongly believe in this. Check out that link below right now, and I'll get that information over to you right away. If you guys enjoyed this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And hit the subscribe button because we post, I post videos all the time about making money online. And I think you guys are absolutely going to love this, different ways that you can do that. And so have a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace out.